Hey there, cosmic enthusiasts and stargazers alike. Welcome back to Galactic Journeys, where we unlock the mysteries of the universe one celestial body at a time. I'm your host, and today we're diving into a fascinating cosmic spectacle, the Cartwheel Galaxy. If you're intrigued by galaxies that break the norm with their unusual structures and tumultuous paths, you're in for a treat. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our stellar content. Now, without further ado, let's spin into the secrets of the Cartwheel Galaxy. In the vast theater of the cosmos, there sits an extraordinary galaxy known as the Cartwheel Galaxy. Located approximately 500 million light-years away in the Sculptor constellation, this galaxy garners attention due to its distinctive ring shape. Discovered in the early 1940s, it doesn't just float through the cosmos serenely. It tells a story of a cataclysmic event in its past. Let's peel back the cosmic layers and uncover the chapters of this galactic novel. The ring-like structure of the Cartwheel Galaxy is no accidental formation. It's the result of a violent collision. Think of it as a cosmic car crash where an unfortunate smaller galaxy smashed head-on into a larger spiral galaxy. This massive gravitational upheaval occurred approximately 400 million years ago, setting off a shockwave that shaped the galaxy's future forever. To understand the Cartwheel Galaxy's unique appearance, we must dissect its components. At the center, we find the core, a hotbed of activity. Surrounding the core are two rings, an inner ring, teeming with potential for new star formation, and an outer ring which resembles the wheel's tire, expanding outward through space. Between the rings lies a place of relative quiet, the spokes of the wheel, where star formation is rare. As the shockwave from the collision moved through the galaxy, it compressed clouds of gas and dust, creating an intense starburst region. This stellar nursery is incredibly fertile, with the formation of new stars occurring at an accelerated rate. The Cartwheel Galaxy is, in essence, a monumental spectacle of generation and regeneration, a literal wheel of life in the universe. Despite its violent history, the Cartwheel Galaxy boasts unparalleled beauty. It's adorned with young, blue star clusters and older, redder stars. The interplay of colors and patterns tells a visual story of its violent past, while simultaneously showcasing the constant renewal process innate to galaxies. But the Cartwheel Galaxy's violent history doesn't mean it's done evolving. It's an ongoing, galactic saga. As we've journeyed together through the Cartwheel Galaxy, we're reminded that beauty in the universe often emerges from chaos, and that each galaxy has its own life story. The Cartwheel Galaxy stands as a testament to the universe's power to destroy, create, and captivate. Its remarkable features, from the violent history to the ongoing burst of star formation, highlight the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our cosmos. What's particularly inspiring about the Cartwheel Galaxy is how it continues to evolve and alter its appearance over hundreds of millions of years. Its resilience and transformation resonate with us, reminding us that amidst upheaval, there's always room for new growth and creation. Until our next cosmic voyage, keep looking up and wondering about the stories hidden in the night sky. Don't forget to comment below with your thoughts or any questions, and share this video with fellow space travelers. For now, this is Galactic Journeys signing off. Fair skies and happy explorations, everyone. And remember, the universe is not just about understanding the grand scale of things. It's about appreciating the beauty and the tales told by each star, planet, and galaxy. The Cartwheel Galaxy is just one of countless stories waiting for us up above, each with its unique narrative arc. So, until next time, keep your eyes to the stars, and maybe one day, we'll uncover more secrets of the Cartwheel Galaxy's storied past. Thanks for watching, and clear skies until we meet again.